First woman in her college to be recruited to a Fortune 100 firm. First woman in her department to be promoted to senior vice president. First mommy on her block to drive a new 2004 Hummer H2. If you can, maybe you will.
Beautiful. Oh yeah. I own this mountain. I own this rock face. You dare to defy me, you pitiful ravine?
Okay, kids, everybody hop in. Honey, who were you talking to?
I guess I was just thinking out loud. The new 2005 Jeep Outlaw. There is only one Jeep.
My father always told me that if I ever needed anything, I could just call him and he would be there. As a little girl, that sounded great. Years later, when he dropped me off in front of my new dorm, I thought of those words as he slowly pulled away. What's a small town girl like me doing in big city California? Calling her dad on her new Sprint PCI digital cell phone before he even gets off campus.